Before we get started with this week's plumbing disasters, it is the ITS sale and it ends on Monday. There's over 500 deals and there's incredible deals that you do not want to miss, from workwear, tools, storage, power tools and much more. So ruin your marriage at the end of these plumbing disasters by clicking the link in the description below at the end of the video and check out some of these fantastic ITS deals. Hi everyone, welcome back to Plumberparts. My name's James. Today we're going to be looking at... Actually, hold on, before we get into that, remember this place, the bathroom? Resplendent with Viz magazine. Yeah, that's what's needed when you sit down and do a big old poo-poo. We're going to be coming back in here soon for the remainder of the series on the bathroom. A lot of you guys have been asking, when are you going to go back in there, James, and get on with it? Sound like my missus, alright? But yeah, there's loads that needs to be done in here. We've got to get the skirting on. We've got to get the nice little towel rail on there. We've got to get the shower second fixed, shower screen up. We've got the airing cupboard to do. There's lots to do. And then once I've got that done, we're going to start on the ground floor toilet. I'm going to be putting in a bidet in there, and it might even have a bum dryer. So be warned, we're going to be coming back in here soon for an autumn-winter series of getting the bathroom finished, purely because I do so much other random stuff during the summer. So there you go. Without further ado, let's get on with the plumbing disasters, photos and videos that you guys have sent in. Let's go. In 1, A_Hobbs SI looks like he's standing at the top of a never-ending staircase, but actually it's just a completely soaked floor. Gutted, mate. In 2, Connor_Evans 8 sent us through this lovely little bit of plumbing disaster madness. We've got flexies, we've probably got lots of kinks going on, we've got multiple different pipe types, and obviously a lovely bit of JG speed fit. But the best thing, the thing I love the most, the thing that truly makes me very happy, is the fact that someone's used a tap spanner to hold a bit of pipe up. Oh, absolutely beautiful. In 3, Coxie_Heating_Plumbing went on an Indiana Jones style adventure to find out where the unvented tank was. I mean, my God, look at that. I mean, it's a lovely bit of tiling, but unfortunately, it's not supposed to be there. In 4, Dare_Grant sent us in this lovely video. I mean, how many times do you see this when someone's fitted a tap and there's a basin that is too small for the tap and it just goes absolutely bloody everywhere? I mean, it's terrible, isn't it? What are people thinking? Put the tap on and go, right, maybe I need to either wind back the stopcock or something like that to stop it happening. In 5, Dave_Parsi sent us through this one here. The customer apparently wanted a wet room. So whoever was there before Dave just drilled a hole in the floor, whacked in a nice little waste from a bath or something in, and just drained it off somewhere. I mean, I doubt it's tanked, I really do. In 6, Dialed MTB Coaching sent us through this one here. Firstly, as plumbers, we all know that you do not silicone around the back of an electric shower, but secondly, when you do it, you don't do such a crap job as this. Dreadful. In 7, Eddie Wing 28 sent us through this lovely corner toilet here. We all know there's blatantly some awful plumbing going on there, but look at those floor tiles. Absolutely dreadful, and obviously it's not a corner toilet as well. In 8, moving on with toilets, we've got FC Solutions_Langkawan popped us through a new design of toilet decor, which I'm sure all the people at Ideal Standard would absolutely love. The old avocado. This is called the burnt lighter one. It's almost like all the crackheads have started using blowtorches to... Oh, anyway, I'm leaving that. In 9, everyone loves a wiring centre, and Fluid Plumb Solutions is no different. I just love everything. This is a state-of-the-art one as well, using gaffer tape to create a box around it, and it's so up there that there's links as well that you can just cut out and leave stuffed into each of the terminal blocks as well. Oh my God, patent this and get it on the market. In 10, FP. Plumbing Solutions was aroused when he pulled... Oh God, I can't... was aroused when he pulled this... Oh, he pulled this out of his MagnaClean. Oh, he's got a lot on... He's got a lot on here. Oh, nice plant in the background. I can't really say much more about it. We're halfway through these plumbing disasters. I thought it'd be a good idea to let you guys know, the regular viewers of Plumberparts, that the Ox PolyZip Flex cutters are now available in our Amazon store. Just click the link below and go and check them out. Absolutely fantastic. And if you haven't watched a review of these amazing cutters, I'll leave links to that YouTube video below as well. In 11, Hardwick Lewis sent us through this lovely Flexi Friday dreadful bit of plumbing. I mean, it's all going on here, isn't it? Nice tiles though, I would say. But look at that. Is it like a concertina thing that's kinked with a bit of chrome on top? I mean, it looks bloody dreadful. In 12, Harvey_Row_plumbing sent us through this lovely bit here. I mean, this is a plumbing disaster in more ways than one. Obviously, the toilet is full of crap, full of lovely poo. Imagine putting your face in that and giving it a good old wash. But also the fact that in the background, we've got a macerator. So this is the double whammy problem going on in there. That is in a basement. That is an unhappy plumber. Gutted, mate. In 13, I had some lovely meatballs for dinner last night. This was the toilet on site that fell down, and JNR 100 got it through for us and sent it over. Look at all them lovely poos going for a swim. In 14, Luke_Gorn_2001 sent us through a lovely little bit here. I mean, just look at it, guys. This is a rude rad. The first thing is that horrible new build 10mm stuff, but then those weird extensions they've put on, absolutely dreadful. In 15, Mick9224 sent us through this toilet here. I actually hate these toilets. I think they're badly designed. I don't like the way that they have like the cutaway when it goes back to the wall like that. Can we just have normal stuff? But obviously that concertina as well going uphill. I ain't gonna drain very well, mate. In 16, hope you're enjoying your breakfast, everyone. Mitch Grove sent us through this lovely photo of a big old poo. The worst thing was he was sent out to look at this toilet. I mean, do people have any shame? In 17, Pip_and_Robs found a great bit of doorstop stuff just wedged up there, getting the pipe in the right place. Lovely pipe clip and a very expensive one as well. In 18, this isn't a plumbing disaster, it's a plum proud. It was sent in from Plumber_Joseph just to give you that little bit of the yin and the yang, a little bit of extra. Love that there, mate. Love those clips. Love the fact you brassoed up the pipe there, mate. Very, very nice indeed. In 19, Rybo_R sent us through this shonky shower. We've got the electric shower feeding in to a... What is going on here, actually? I'm just looking at it. Just in case you want a double shower. They've also got a gravity-fed bar mixer there as well. I don't think it's feeding it. In fact, I don't know what's going on, and I doubt the plumbers who fitted this did either. And in 20... Jeet Edinburgh sent us through a lovely video here. Got called out to this heating issue and came across these lovely, easily accessible valves. Oh my god. How dare me. And finally, Jeet_Edinburgh also sent us through this lovely mixer tab that's been invented. The best thing about this is they actually found this in their local plumbers merchants. Just want to say thanks to everyone who sent in their photos, videos and all those things this week. It's absolutely brilliant to see that you guys still just love sending over some of the awful stuff that you guys find when you're out and about. It's brilliant. Please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button. Comment below, which do you think was the worst disaster? And I know that I'm going to get some comments from people saying, oh, I can't believe you showed a poo. I didn't know that was going to happen. But look, guys, this is plumbing. Our life is poo. That's what we do. Actually, I don't know. I just prefer doing radiators and boiler changes and bathrooms, which is less poo related, but you know. So thanks ever so much for watching, guys. We're going to be back in the bathroom really soon. I've got to get out in the garden now and do a little bit of work. And my wife's going to kill me if I don't. But thanks ever so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Love you all. Remember, to hold tight. Mwah. Ciao, bella.